All right, can we do a mic and video check there in the hearing room?
Yeah, we can see and hear you. Can you see and hear me?
I can.
Okay, great. It worked.
Okay. Be ready. So we will go on the record then. The time is 1:01 p.m. This is the hearing for Deschutes County file number 24725-553-PADU. My name is Tommy Brooks, and I am the hearings officer in this matter. Before we begin, I understand that there's been a request from the applicant to continue today's hearing to a later date. So, Mr. Ripper, can you please confirm that's still the case? And if so, explain what the process will be.
Yes. Can I get my slideshow up? Um, Good afternoon. For the record, my name is Jacob Ripper, Principal Planner with the Deschutes County Planning Division. The item before the hearings officer is an application for an accessory dwelling unit or ADU. And hearings officer Brooks, that is correct. Prior to today's hearing, the property owner requested a continuance of today's hearing for 30 days. The county's procedures ordinance require that today's hearing be opened, and if desired, anyone can testify, which I will explain in a moment. Because the continuance was requested for roughly 30 days, that would land around the public holiday when the county offices are closed for Thanksgiving. This means that the next hearing date will need to be coordinated between the applicant, staff, and the hearings officer. Once the date is set, the county will send out a revised notice of public hearing. I also wanted to note that pursuant to Deschutes County Code, because the continuance, excuse me, was requested by the applicant, the statutory decision clock is suspended during this time. At this time, I'd like to ask the applicant to confirm they understand the timing of the holiday and scheduling, and that they understand the statutory 150-day clock is extended during this time. Please step up to the microphone.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I understand that there's a request that I've put in for 30 days.
Okay, and I guess just to follow up on the point Mr. Ripper was making, the 150-day clock gets suspended during the time that the applicant has requested a continuation. I just want to make sure you're aware of that and okay with that, especially since we don't have a new date yet for the hearing.
Yeah, that's completely fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Mr. Ripper, do you have more?
Yeah, just a little bit more. I did just want to mention there's nobody in the room to testify. Is there anyone online? No, and I don't see anyone online. So as mentioned, the date of the next hearing will be determined at a later time and notice to parties will be sent. The hearing will be held in the same location as today's hearing, the Barnes and Sawyer rooms, and you can attend remotely using the same Zoom link or dial-in option. With that, I'll turn it back to Hearings Officer Brooks.
Okay, thank you. The only thing I will add, and thank you for confirming that there's no one in the room that signed up to testify or online. Under the county's code, even with a continuation, if anyone did want to testify today, they still could. So I just wanted to state that for the record, that we declared that in the room here. But since there's no one to listen or to respond, I think that's fine. So I don't have anything else. I will coordinate with county staff on a date that works for me, and we'll try to do it as soon as we can after that 30 days. Are there any other questions for the hearings officer?
I don't have any.
Okay. Then we will continue this hearing and for at least 30 days at a time to be determined with the applicant, and a new notice will be sent out, and we will go off the record. It's 1:05.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.